If you're experiencing connection errors in Rocket League, particularly error 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Reset your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can help clear any network issues and improve your connection stability. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Rocket League. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable these programs to see if they are causing the connection issue. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.84.4. This can help improve connectivity and resolve issues related to your current DNS server. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and get back to enjoying Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.